المعاصر book. Look at with me about question number 1. Solid which has no edges, no faces, no vertices, we called it sphere. Should letter B about question number 1. Sphere hasn't edges, faces, and vertices. Question number 2. The number of edges of cube plus number of edges of cone equals space. We know the cube has 12 edges. We have cube 12 edges, and the cone number of edges of cone will be 0. Then we have cube here. The cube has 12 edges plus number of edges of cone. The cone here, the cone. We haven't here any edges. Then some of them it will be 12. Question number 2, choose letter A. Question number 3. We have cuboid. How many cube in cuboid here? We can find the volume. Count each cube inside it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can write length times width times height. Okay. You can count how many cube inside it, or you can write length times width times height. Okay. Count with me here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lengths and width 1, 2, 3. And the height 1, 4 times 3 times 1. The volume 4 times 3 times 1, it will be 12 cube. Then we have 12 cube here. Question number 4. Cuboid of length 11 centimeter, width 2 centimeter, and height 4 centimeters. Its volume equal. We can write length times width times height. Length here 11 times width 2 times height 4. 4 times 2, 22. Times 4, it will be 88 cubic centimeter. It's the volume. Next question, number 5. The unit of measuring volume, it will be cubic centimeter. Choose centimeter. We called it, should see, cubic centimeter. Question 6. The capacity of water can be buried in cuboid visual of inner dimension 30 and 20 and 10 centimeter equal what? We can find here the volume of capacity. It will be length times width times height, 30 times 20 times 10. Write 30. 1 times 2 equal 2, 2 times 3 equals 6. 6,000 cubic centimeter. Choose letter P about question 6. Question number 7. The volume here equal how many cube inside it contains of this cuboid contains of how many cube? 1, 2. You can count with me here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Letter C. Choose letter C. Question 8. It choose letter C. Question 7. It choose letter C. 8. Question here number 2. Complete. Number 1. In the opposite solid, number of horizontal layers here. We have how many layers? We have 2 layers. Okay, it's 1 and 2. We called it 2 layers. It's horizontal. Okay, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, 2 horizontal layers. We have here 2 horizontal layers. 1 and 2. Should write 2 here. Then the result will be 2 layers. Write 2 layers. Question number 2. Volume of cuboid equal piece of the area product by height. base of the area by the height. Then we can write this word height. Okay, the volume equal base area product by height. Understood? Base area times the height. Question number 3. Cuboid has two horizontal layers. Question number 3. Two horizontal layers, such that two horizontal layers, and each layer has 6 cube units. Then its volume, right? 2 times 6 equal 12. Then the volume equal 12 cube units. 12 cube units. Understood? The volume, it will be 12. Product between number of horizontal layers and how many cube inside it. Each layer contains of 6 cubes, and 6 times 2 equal 12. Then question number 4. Question 4 here. The volume of rectangular prism with dimension 3 and 2 and 3, we can write length times width times the height. 3 product by 2 product by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 equal 18. 18 cubic centimeter. Next question number 5. Cube base area 18 and the height 2, and the volume equal base area, right, area of the base, product by height. Product two numbers 18 by 2 equal 36 cubic centimeter. Question 6. Volume of cuboid was 40 cubic centimeter and height 5 centimeter and width 4. Then its height, we can write the height equal volume over area of the base. Area of the base equal length times width. Then you must know this rule. Height equal volume over length times width. He give us the volume was 40 cubic centimeter, a length 5 centimeter, and width was 4. Then the height equal 40 over 20. Cancel 0 by 0, and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. And the result will be 2 centimeter. Question 7. Cylinder has 0 edges. We call it cylinder. We haven't any edges here. Then cylinder has 0 edges. Question 8. Volume of cuboid equal space times height, right? Base area times height. Base area times height. It's the volume. The volume equal base area times height. Okay. Base area times what? Times height. Right, in the space here, base area. In this space here, right, base area. Okay. Right, base area about question 8. Next question. Number 3. Choose the correct answer. The missing dimension in the opposite cuboid is space. We can find here the missing dimension, the height. We can find the height here by divided volume by length by width. We can write the rule about question number 1 about choose the correct answer. You want to find the height. The height equal volume over length product by width. He give us the volume was 60 here. Okay, the volume was 60 cubic centimeter, right? 60 over length times width, 10 times 3. And height equals 60 over 3 times 10 equals 30. Then the result will be 2 centimeter. This is the height. Question number 2. The square pyramid has spaced triangle faces. We can draw here pyramid, triangle. We called it This triangle, square triangle. Square in the base, and we have triangles in the base, in the here lateral here. Then we can call the squared pyramid. Squared pyramid, how many triangle faces? Count with me. 1, 2, and here 3 and 4. Okay, question number 2, choose letter A. Understood? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 triangular faces of square pyramid. Okay, my students, you must know square pyramid has 4 triangular faces. We have here the square has 4 triangle faces. Choose letter A. Question number 3. Cuboid has 4 horizontal layers and 5 cube units in each layer. Then the volume product is the number of cube in the horizontal. How many horizontal layers? 4. Number of horizontal layers times number of cube in each layer. Then the volume will be equal. We can find product between 4, the number of horizontal, and the number of cube in each horizontal 5. And the result will be 20 cubic centimeter. Choose letter D about question 3. Question number 4. Rectangular prism has 4 vertical sides. 4 vertical sides. Slice, okay, vertical slice. 8 cube in each one. Each one has cube 8. In the volume equal number of vertical slice by how many numbers of cube inside it? 8. Then we have 4 vertical slice product by the number of cube in each one. 4 times 8 equal 32. Then the volume will be 32 cubic centimeter or 32 cubes. 32 watt cubes. Question number 5. We have a rectangular prism here. How many cube inside it? We can count or write length times width and height. You can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12. Or you can write length times width times height. Length here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 it's a length. And width here 1, 2, 3. Times the height here 1. Then the result will be 12 cube. We have here 12 cube in the what? Rectangular prism, or we can call it cuboid. Okay, we have here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here was 3, 1, 2, 3, product by height 1. Next example, the cylinder has 2 bases. We call it cylinder. Cylinder has 2 bases. Question 7. The volume of opposite figure equal. We can count how many cube in this figure here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the volume here it will be 5. Choose letter D. Question number 4. Which of the following is greater in volume? We can find the volume about this figure and this figure. Okay. Question number 1. We can write the volume here length times width times height, or you can count how many cube here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have here 10 cube. And here 10 cube unit. Okay. And second here, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 10 less than 12 cube unit. Then the second it will be greater. Then you can write volume 1 equal 5 times 2 times 1. We have here the volume 5 in the base, length times width times height. You can solve by this method or this method. Volume 1, write length times width times the height. 5 times 2 times 1, it will be 10. And volume 2, we have here length times width times the height. We have 3 here, 3 in the base. 1, 2, 3, 3 lengths. And width 1. And height 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cube units. Then the volume second will be greater than volume 1. Okay, next question number 2. Rami used question number 2. Rami used 15 cubes to build a 3 dimensions shape. A volume of each cube 27 cubic centimeters, and finds the volume of compounded shape. Okay, you can write the volume of compound by product number of cubes and the volume of each one. We can find the volume of compound by product the number of cube. We have 15 cubes to build. Rami used 15 cubed here, 15 cubes to building compound. We want to find the volume of compound product 15 by the volume of each one. We have number here was 15. We have 15 cubes, and he built a compound. The compound contains of 15 cubes, and the volume of each one equal what? 27. You can write product by 15 and 27 to find the volume. Write 27 times 15. 5 times 7 equals 35. Write 5 and carry up 3. 2 times 5 equals 10 plus 3 equals 13 plus 0. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 0 and carry up 1. 2 plus 2 equals 4. The result will be 405 cubic centimeter. This is the result. Next example, number 3. Find the volume of opposite side falling. If you're flooding the opposite shape, we want to flood it. Okay, to find the volume, you can write length times width times the height. How? Look as it's been here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4. Product by how many parts here inside length times width times height? It's length 1, 2, 3, 4, and width 1, 2. And what about height? It's a height. Okay, 1. The result will be 8 cube units. Next example, last one. Question 4. Finds the volume. We can write length times width times height. 10 times 5 times 2. It will be what? 100 cubic centimeter. Okay, understood? You must study hard this exam. Okay, goodbye.